student, this is the question GATE 2006. A relation has 5 attribute, relation R has 5 attribute V, W, X, Y, Z, and the following FDs Vy to W, Wx to Z, and Zy to V. Which of the following is a candidate key of R? Getting my point? So first of all, we have to check 1 by Z1. Here you can directly find also. I already told you, but you can take the option whenever option is given. Vxz due to reflexive, first of all Vxz. Now what we are getting, because we are not getting Y and Zy, no Vx here, this one Vxy. So first one is Vxy. Now from Vy you are getting W, and from Wx you are getting Z, and Zy you are getting V, and we have 5 attributes. You can determine all 5 attributes from Vxy, and next is Vwxy, and next one is Vwxyz. My dear student, he is asking about the candidate key. Get my point? Not asking about the super keys also, because whenever Vxy is a key, then any superset of Vxy like either Vwxy या Vwxyz, it also a super key, not a candidate key. Getting my point? So the candidate key is Vxy. And here you can see one more thing. Here we can have multiple candidate key also, because Vxy is here and the prime attribute is V, X, Y. Now you can see V derived from Zy. Getting my point? Now Zy is also make a candidate key possibility, and Z is also derived from Wx. So there are multiple candidate key also possible, but in the question not asking about the multiple candidate key, he is asking about only candidate key, not a super key also. So this one is the candidate key, and this one is also super key, not a candidate key. So B is the answer. Here you can see Vy2, then Vyw, Vyx, this one we have dependency Z tends to Y and Wx tends to Z. So we make another candidate key Vyx, Zyx, and Wxy are the candidate key, and Vxy is a candidate key, and option C and D make a super key. Means any superset of candidate key or super key is also super key, but in the question only asking about the candidate key and no multiple candidate key option is given, so we have to select the one among the 4. Getting my point? Okay, thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.